Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're doing a quick little how-to video on manual stabilizer jacks. So take a look, let me know what you think. So manual stabilizer jacks, they crank them down by hand or by power tool. I'll show you both of those. First of all, I'll be using the hand crank. Very basic cranking down. Takes about 10-15 seconds to go all the way down. A lot of people prefer the electric jacks. One preference we have here, you can buy the socket attachment for your drill. You can buy the attachment already built in, adding the 3/4 socket right onto that, right onto your power drill. So from here, if we wanted to use the power drill instead of the hand crank, a lot quicker, touch of a button, put the jacks right down. Also a good time here would be to lubricate that threaded rod. Anything that moves there, and you can quickly lubricate those jacks as easy as that. Alright, and as for lubrication, as mentioned, you can use WD-40, white lithium grease. Anywhere where you see parts that need lubrication along the threaded rod, we'll go ahead and put the jack up and down, and I'll show you as spraying here. Spray a little bit in the bottom, spray a little bit on the tube, on the end. And that really can be done as much as needed. If you're closer to salt water, more corrosion, you can use it more often, but every other camping trip maybe, take a look at it, could use lubrication. So either hand crank or power tool, very easy setup of the crank down stabilizer jacks.